Okay, today we're going to talk about the way things look and feel. Let me show you. So, this sand looks soft, but it feels real sandy and rough. And it's kind of squishy. It looks cool, and it looks blue. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Or I could say that this sand looks purple. It also feels squishy, but not as sandy as the other one. It has more stretch to it. If I mix them together, look. Wow. Isn't that cool? There won't be any chimes today because we're going to use the word look and touch and feel in a bunch of different ways. So pay attention and let's play.
Oh, hey, it's me, Mr. Clay. Say, do you want to know what I'm doing today? I am going to play with my Mailbox toy. I have 3 letters. This one that looks red and pink. I can't tell what color it is really. This one looks green. And this one looks blue. I'm going to put the letter into the mailbox. And I think it's going to turn into a secret surprise. Do you want to help me? You do? Awesome. Let's go. I'm going to start with, I think I'll start with this green one. It looks like the green one goes right here. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. Let's look. It feels like a cup? Huh. It's hard. This part feels kind of smooth, so do the sides. I'm gonna see what it is. Oh, guys, it's one of my favorite things. It's slime. Whoa, this slime is so stretchy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And I see a bunch of sparkles. Whoa, this slime feels cold. And it smells nice. Oh. When I squeeze it, I hear squishy noises. So I'm gonna put it over the microphone and see if you can hear it. Oh, do you hear that? Oh, and when I put it back in the container, oh, I hear funny noises. That is great. Now, am I gonna do my blue letter or my red letter? Yeah, let's do this reddish pinky letter. All right, it looks like, yep, it goes in the middle. Ready? Here we go. All right, now let's open it up. Let's see what this feels like. Oh, guys, I think it's another container. Do you think it might have slime in it too? You do? Let's check. Whoa, more slime. This slime is fluffy. Let's see what happens when I open it up. Huh. Oh my goodness. This feels so different. This feels like marshmallow fluff. It smells different too. It kind of smells like strawberries or cherries. Whoa. It's so sticky. Feel how sticky it is. Ooh, and it makes some funny noises too. Ah, I don't love sticky stuff, and this slime is really the stickiest slime I've ever touched. Oh my goodness. Oh my gracious. I can't get it off my hands. Look how stringy it looks. Oh my goodness. I like the pink color. Wow. That is some really fluffy, stretchy, sticky slime. Let's put it away and look at the next letter. Okay, I've got one more letter. This time, I'm gonna do the blue letter. Are you ready? All right, it looks like this letter goes here. Ooh, let's open it up. All right, guys, it feels like another container. Do you want to look at it? Yeah, me too. Look, it's a container of slime. This one says that it's scented. Ooh, this kind of smells like blueberries. I'm gonna put these cubes in here. Oh, wow, this is so cold. It feels so cold. And it's stretchy and blue. You can almost see through this one. And those cubes that I put inside are making it smell like blue raspberry. It feels stretchy. It almost looks like water or Jell-O. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It kind of feels like it has chunks in it, but the cubes are squishy. Oh my goodness, guys. That feels so cool. Well, that's it for my magic mailbox. I got to touch this pink fluffy slime that was real sticky. I got to play with this cold, greenish, bluish, sparkly slime. It was very, very smooth. And then we used this slime that had scent to it. It even still smells like blue raspberries. Which one was your favorite? Yeah, I think that this was my favorite, this blue slime. Well, thanks for coming, and remember, you are awesome. See you later.